Hi, I'm Mai, and I'm going to tell you how to change the bundles priority on your bundles page. As you can see, we have 2 bundles available on the bundles page, and I'm going to change the priority of the bundles. I'm going to the customization tab of the Fast Bundle admin panel. You can see there are 2 sections, and I'm going to click on the Manage button of the second section of the customization tab. As you can see, there are 2 bundles. I'm dragging the second one and bring it to the top, and yes, there is no need to save the changes, but if you click on the View Bundles page, you can see the second one is on the top and the priority is changed. This is fixed. Make sure you don't miss the other videos and feel free to reach out with any other questions and concerns. Bye!